My favorite game was Battleship. Loved it until I figured out that there is no wartime strategy. Can you imagine if that battle scenario ever actually happened? A general briefing his men. He's like, all right, listen up, here's the situation. There are 5 enemy ships out there, exactly like our 5 ships. We have no idea where they are, but we do have good intel that they're not moving. So when you fire at them, just guess. I don't know. Oh, and every time after we fire a missile, we need to ask them how it went.